Do you love the distinctive aroma of cilantro? This small herb not only enhances the flavor of dishes, but also contains many nutrients that are beneficial for your health. Cilantro is used in countless recipes around the world, from hot soups and fresh salads to rich, flavorful dishes, especially popular in Asian and Latin American cuisine. You can even make cilantro tea for a light and relaxing drink. But one rather annoying thing is that although cilantro is delicious, it wilts quickly, bruises easily, and doesn't last long. Where I live, cilantro is very cheap and abundant in season, but when the weather changes, it becomes expensive and harder to find. So how can you keep cilantro fresh for as long as possible? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share simple, effective, and very convenient tips to store cilantro, helping you always have fresh herbs ready for your meals. Let's get started. First, when you bring cilantro home, remove any yellow or damaged leaves. Do this gently, as this step directly affects how long the herbs will last. If you leave the damaged leaves, they will rot and spread to the rest. Such a waste, right? I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Storing cilantro in water. After cleaning, try this method first. Have you ever thought about storing cilantro in water? It's actually very simple. Prepare a glass jar or cut off the top of a plastic bottle. Here, I'm using a glass jar. The size depends on how much cilantro you want to store. Pour about 5 centimeters of water into the container. Place the cilantro inside. I have two types, one with roots and one without. Both can be stored using this method. It looks like a small green bouquet, doesn't it? Next, loosely cover the top with a zip bag or plastic bag. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place it in the refrigerator. The cilantro will stay fresh and green for about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on its initial freshness. Cilantro with roots will last longer. If it still has roots, you can even keep it outside in a cool place instead of putting it in the refrigerator. When needed, just take a small amount and leave the rest. Very convenient. Method 2. Regrowing cilantro. Since we mainly eat the leaves, you can separate the roots to regrow them. Divide the cilantro into 2 parts, the stems for cooking and the roots for planting. You can regrow them using a very simple hydroponic method. Reuse a plastic bottle available at home and cut it in half. Place the cilantro roots through the neck of the bottle, gently threading them downward. Then place the top part into the bottom part, making sure the roots touch the water. Add enough water to cover the roots, but do not submerge the stems to avoid rotting. Place it on a balcony or in a spot with sunlight. After some time, new leaves will grow. Remember to change the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it clean and prevent root rot. In just 1 to 2 weeks, you can harvest fresh cilantro. Isn't that amazing? Next, let's learn how to clean cilantro to make storage more effective. Prepare a large bowl of water. Add a little salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir until dissolved. Soak all the cilantro in the solution for about 10 minutes. If you want to keep the roots for regrowing, you can either cut them off or leave them intact while soaking. Baking soda is alkaline and helps remove pesticide residues, while salt has antibacterial properties. Combined, they help clean the herbs, removing dirt and insect eggs. After 10 minutes, rinse again with clean water. Be gentle, as cilantro is very delicate. You can rinse 2 to 3 more times to ensure it is completely clean. Place the cilantro in a colander to drain. The drier it is, the longer it will last. If it is still damp, gently pat it dry with a cloth. Method 3. Storing with paper towels. Use cilantro that has been cleaned and thoroughly dried. Then wrap it with paper towels, making sure it is fully covered. Many people worry that washed herbs will spoil quickly, but if they are properly dried, it's not a problem at all. If you don't wash them beforehand, you still need to dry them thoroughly after bringing them home. Place the wrapped herbs into a zip bag or an airtight container. Then store them in the refrigerator. The paper towels will absorb excess moisture and help prevent spoilage. This method can also keep the herbs fresh for about 2 to 4 weeks. Method 4. Freezing cilantro. Use cilantro that has been thoroughly washed and completely dried. Since we don't eat the roots, you can separate them for regrowing. Cut the cilantro into small pieces depending on your needs. Cilantro has a pleasant aroma that enhances the flavor of dishes, stimulates the appetite, and aids digestion. Place the chopped cilantro into a zip bag or container. I usually use a container. Then put it in the freezer. This method preserves it much longer than refrigeration while still maintaining its flavor, and you only need to prepare it once. Just make sure the cilantro is completely dry before freezing to maintain the best quality. When needed, take it out and use it immediately. No need to thaw, as thawing will make it soft and less visually appealing. Frozen cilantro is ideal for soups or stir-fries, as it retains its aroma and helps save cooking time. However, if you are making salads or need it for garnish, it's better to use refrigeration methods instead of freezing. Method 5. Preservation in zip bags. Use a sharp knife to cut the coriander into short pieces, depending on the dish, usually about 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Prepare a few small zip bags. Place the chopped cilantro in each bag, about the amount you need for one cooking. If you don't want your vegetables to stick together when frozen, spread them out evenly in the bag before freezing. Gently squeeze out the air and seal the bag. If using within 5 to 7 days, keep the zip bag in the refrigerator. I really like this tip because it is both clean and convenient, very suitable for those who cook quickly. Cilantro can stay green for about a week in the refrigerator and can be used for up to 2 months if stored in the freezer, and the aroma will still be retained about 80%. Each time you cook, just open the bag, sprinkle lightly on the dish, quick and easy without worrying about the herbs spoiling. Method 6. Growing coriander in styrofoam boxes, for those who want to have vegetables to eat all year round. If you have a balcony or a small corner, don't miss this way of growing. It's both economical and relaxing. Since we mainly eat the leaves, we will cut the roots and let them grow back. You should divide the coriander into 2 parts like this. The stem is for eating, and the root is for planting. Cut off the top, leaf part to use and keep the root sprout below. Do not cut it completely so that the plant can grow again. There are 2 ways to grow coriander, from seed and from the remaining root. For those who live in apartments or do not have land, planting from the roots is the fastest way to freely eat coriander all year round. You can make use of a styrofoam box, pour soil in. You can get fertile soil from the mountains or order nutritious soil online for convenience. Then plant the coriander roots, remembering to bury the roots deep, leaving the stems exposed. Coriander does not require good soil, has few pests and diseases, and is easy to care for. Because of its distinctive smell, you can plant it on the balcony, which is both beautiful and repels insects. After planting, water it with a little water called root water to help the plant adapt. After 7 days, water it with diluted fertilizer and water. If you keep the sprouts like I did, you can start harvesting them in parts after just a few days. Cilantro is a great herb to grow at home. Whether in a pot or in the garden, it thrives with just water. Try growing it once and experience the joy of harvesting it yourself. So I've shared with you several ways to keep cilantro fresh for longer without spoilage. Remember to choose fresh herbs from the start and clean them properly. Which method do you like the most? Leave a comment and let me know. If you have other useful tips, don't hesitate to share so everyone can learn together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.